What a day. We were in the car for a long time. Here's our old couches in our dining room, which we will be taking to or helping them load, and we're going to help them out because it's a really young couple that needs help moving the sofas to their place tomorrow. And here's our new couches. So excited. My boys are going insane because they've been in the car all day. So we're letting them run and jump and play. And my husband rearranged the living room and it looks so good. That rocking chair used to be over here and that table was on that side, but the couch and the table were scooted over that way. And this was at more of an angle. So my husband is a pretty good decorator. Got the new sofas in nicely. Next step, replacing the rug. Carpet. Not the rug, the carpet.
Is it carpet? Rug?
Yeah, you're right.
Yes,
Carpet.